Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friends, in previous video we have learned the usage of grid system, and this page has been opened before you, and from this video we will learn the usage of Jumbotron. But first friends, I will tell you something about the container. There are two kinds of container, but in previous video I have used only the one type of container, which is container fluid. We use container fluid for full width screen, but if you want to use container, to use only the container, Control S, I come here and I will have also to change all the container. So now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So now friend, you are watching that the width of our container has been decreased, and now all our website will be made according to this width. So there are two types of container. One is container fluid, which I used before, and the second one is only the container. I would also like to tell you that you can use both type of container in your website. So friend, now I come back to my Notepad++ code editor, and now I will delete all this code. First I have deleted the style tag, and now I will delete this one, and I will delete the whole down divs. Only this div, the first div class container and the second div class row, I did not delete, because here I will use the Jumbotron class. First I go to my Chrome browser and show you that this page will be empty. So now you are watching that it is totally empty. So friend, here I will use the Jumbotron. So I make one more div and I close that div, and here I make a class. It is also the built-in class of Bootstrap on the name of Jumbotron. So inside it I use h2 tag. Just for an example, you can use any tag, p tag, h2, h3, h1, but I have used h2 only to tell you, because h2 is a heading 2 tag, and this hello world will be shown in heading style. So inside this h2 I use a small tag, which is also used in Bootstrap to make the text smaller. So here I write how are you. So down I make a p tag, hello, my name is Sadi. I am going to learn Bootstrap. Press enter, and here I make one button. I will give a separate class on making button, but here I have just made this button to describe you briefly the usage of Jumbotron. And I give a class to this button, btn space btn dash primary. Here I write read more. Control S to save. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So friend, you are watching that this kind of Jumbotron, you can watch easily that the background color is totally white, but the Jumbotron color is not white. So hello world, you are watching, this hello world is H2 tag, and this how are you is in small tag. I did not actually make any space. If I put a space here and I space here, this how are you is in inside the small tag, and this hello world, and if I put some beer here, then you will watch more easily and you will understand more easily. So now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh the page. So now you can see easily that this hello world is in H2 and this how are you is inside the small tag, and this hello my name is Sadi, I am going to learn Bootstrap is in P tag, and this read more button, it is the default button of Bootstrap. So which I use the button tag button, and I gave the built-in class of Bootstrap class is equal to btn space btn slash primary, and I have written inside it read more, and I close the button. So friend, in this way you can use the Jumbotron anywhere in your website, and you can make it very easily, and it is the default background color of this Jumbotron. So friend, I hope that you would have understood the usage of Jumbotron. Now I see you in next video.